Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make good nachos with ground beef, only way. Brown the beef in a skillet, seasoning with salt, pepper, and a pinch of chili powder while draining excess fat. Then layer chips on a sheet, scatter beef evenly, add beans and jalapenos, sprinkle cheese, and bake until bubbly and golden for perfectly sturdy, cheesy nachos everyone will reach for. Want bold, layered flavor that still feels simple and homey? Start with aromatics like onion and garlic, then add tomato paste and a splash of stock or water to loosen the beef. Season carefully with cumin, chili powder, and a touch of sugar to balance acidity. Before baking, taste and adjust, then top with fresh lime and cilantro after baking to preserve that bright, fresh finish everyone loves. Assembling nachos the right way makes all the difference for texture and heat distribution. Layer chips thinly, add a sprinkle of cheese between layers, then top with beef and remaining cheese. Use oven heat at 425 degrees F so the cheese melts quickly and chips stay crisp. Finish with fresh toppings like pico, sour cream dollops, and pickled jalapenos for contrasting textures and flavors that keep everyone coming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.